Let's head on out to the backyard now. Meteorologist Jeremy Lawan is looking ahead to our weekend.
And it will be a fantastic weekend, Scott, with nothing but sunshine and warm temperatures. Great for monarch butterflies and great for us humans, too. It's going to be really, really nice for those outdoor activities that you have planned. Maybe you're planning on, embracing the fall. Just make sure you wear shorts if you're going pumpkin or apple picking. It will be warm enough for them. And then as we head into this upcoming week, we see a flip in the script, not as far as temperatures, but as far as precipitation. First, I got to show you a video that was taken by our Mike DeFleury. What a great time lapse of the cumulus clouds we saw today, moving pretty quickly there in the lower levels of the atmosphere. And if you look down towards the bottom, this is over Taylor and parts of Scranton, you can see too. Look at how the flag sometimes goes dormant. There were some parts of today that were not breezy at all. It really wasn't an active day. But what gorgeous skies we had. No smoke in them and just a few puffy cumulus clouds, no risk for rain. And we don't have a risk for rain all weekend either. Here is your weekend forecast. As we look towards Saturday, mostly sunny skies, nice and warm. Both days featuring mid and upper 70s. Sunday we'll have a few more clouds in the sky. It'll be the last full day of summer and temperatures just a click cooler than Saturday at 75. Today's high temperatures were warmer than both of those two projections. 78 was the high today in Avoca, 73 for Mount Pocono. Even Williamsport again warm, 85, but not a record high temperature. Yesterday you hit 89. That was a record in the books. 85 was still 4 degrees off the record high. That was 89. Also set back many, many years ago, but we didn't break it. So that record will continue to stay in the books. If you look back at our temperature history, yesterday was warm here at Scranton too. We were 10 degrees above average today. We were once again well above average, about 4 to 5 degrees above average. We've kept this warm streak going. We're going to continue to keep it going as we go through the weekend and into the first week of fall as well. Here's the view right now at Bucknell University. Looks like a lot of the students are enjoying a movie there out on the lawn, but notice how dry the lawn is. We haven't seen measurable rainfall since the beginning of the month. It is a beautiful sunset, though, to enjoy a movie on. I mean, really, I can't tell which one's more interesting, the sunset or the movie itself. I'd like to sit there with them. Looks like a great night. And if maybe you're having a Friday night like this, where you're sitting by the campfire, really nice night for a bonfire there at Camelback. They've got the tiki torches going too. 71 is where we're at right now. North winds at 9. We're still at 81 in Lewisburg, 74 in Lehighton. A little cooler there in our northern tier in the 60s. But tonight is going to be a cool one for everybody because we're not going to have cloud cover. So we're clear right now. We'll keep things clear through most of the weekend, too, because of this high pressure system that's in place. It's going to keep a lot of these showers at bay for a while. But then once we get to Monday night, the high pressure system starts to shrink and the low overpowers and brings us a risk for rain many, many days next week, which is a flip in the pattern. Because we've had 12 days straight now with no rainfall whatsoever. This is the longest dry stretch we've had since last October to November, which was the second longest dry stretch in Scranton history. That's 17 days. I think this dry stretch will last us either 14 or 15 days, so getting in record territory of longest dry stretches in Scranton's record history. Clear tonight, clear overnight into your morning tomorrow. Just a few high, thin clouds, mostly sunny skies for your day on Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday, a few more clouds roll in, so it'll be warmer at night, and they'll burn off throughout the day and will clear out for the evening hours on your Sunday. Here's how that rain comes in on Tuesday, and notice how it swirls in several moisture waves. So we see it on Tuesday, then again on Wednesday, then again possibly on Thursday, and maybe even some more rainfall on Friday next week. We really do need it. We're well below average for this month. This is your dog walking forecast. That's Maggie and Kona. Kathy, thank you for sending in your two cute pups. I just loved the little eye on Maggie. Thank you very much. Looks like a great night to walk the dogs. Just make sure you bring an extra layer as you head out later on tonight because temperatures are falling quick. 46 is the overnight low. That's about 10 degrees below average. So it'll be a cool one tomorrow morning, but we warm up nicely into the 70s and we keep things warm all the way through that first week of fall too, Scott. We finally get some rain, and I know that's not great for outdoor activities, but we do need it.
Yeah, grass is getting brown at my place.
Yep, you know it, everybody's.
Thank you very much, Jeremy.